And here we are, the Racing Fighter, the best handling Tamiya ever. Watch how it glides over the bumps. Are you ready, Rob?
I am.
Let's do it. Wait, it's fast though, isn't it?
It is fast. Oh no, he's spun it out.
Yeah. Come on, Hopper, you can do it. No, bouncing, Rob.
It is bouncing quite a bit.
What's the back end? Oh, a bit wide there, sir. Try and get it out into the grippy stuff. Oh! That's where it's up in the best, isn't it?
It is.
Oh, it's kicking the back end there again. Flat out. Ooh. Can't control it, Rob. I'm flat out. Got a bit of bump steer there. That was a bit better, dude.
Whoa! Yeah.
Hang on this side, look at that. Misses the tree.
Ooh!
Ooh.
Oh no! Tree magnet!
We're stuck.
Oh no!
Walk of shame. Here we go. Let's get this battery flat. Oh, did you get that?
Just about.
I think the battery's going, dude.
It looks it.
Oh, it's still looking.
It's
I can't
quite a-
control it on the straight.
It's looking slower now. Still spins out. Oh, there we go.
Thanks for that, Rob. Oh, it's come alive. It's going to come back to me. Come on, you can do it. So there we go. Rising Fighter, gotta love them, ain't you, Rob?
You have.
And as you noticed, we've got oil shocks on the front,
Yeah.
oil shocks on the back. It still don't handle, does it? But hey, it's a lot of fun. For what is it, Rob? 56 quid, I think you can get them
Something
for
like that,
just
yeah.
to keep with their electrics.
Yeah.
It's got to be worth a punt, hasn't it?
It has.
So yeah, go get yourself a Rising Fighter.